this is Umli Muli from IT Examiner. Welcome to 3 Days in 3 Minutes. The proposed merger between South Africa's MTN Group and Reliance Communications is being threatened following a claim by Reliance Industries that it has first refusal over any deal. Reliance Communications was created after a rift between brothers Mukesh and Anil Ambani. While Reliance Industries is controlled by elder brother Mukesh, Anil runs Reliance Communications. MTN claims it is still taking part in exclusive talks with Reliance Communications, with Anil Ambani saying his brother's claim was declared unfair and unjust by the High Court last October. It is one of the more confusing business deals in recent times, with two companies called Reliance, run by two brothers called Ambani, fighting over which of them will gain control of MTN. No doubt, further confusion will arise. Watch this space. The two market leaders in graphics chips have both announced new products this week. AMD has released its new Firestream 9250, which it claims is the first graphics chip to break the 1 teraflop barrier, while rival Nvidia announced its GTX 200, which has 240 multi-threaded processor cores. AMD's Firestream can handle 200 million operations a second, while Nvidia says its new cards can convert high-quality video much faster than the latest microprocessors and promise ultra-realistic games. The AMD chips are expected to be in the shops in the third quarter of 2008 at around $999, while Nvidia's new cards are available this week with prices starting at $400. A British hacker has made his final appeal against extradition to the US. Gary McKinnon of London is accused of accessing information on US military and NASA computers. If he loses the appeal, he will be the first British hacker to face extradition to the US and could face life in prison. McKinnon claims he was looking for evidence that the US government was aware of UFOs. The US sought extradition and won its case in April last year, but McKinnon appealed to the House of Lords. A decision is expected within 3 weeks. Sony Ericsson is to launch its new top-of-the-range phone. The phone has 8.1 megapixel camera, better than many professional digital cameras, which combines with the phone's GPS to label each picture with the precise location at which it was taken. The phone also automatically changes its display as you rotate the phone and has Wi-Fi, image stabilization and TV output. The C905 is expected to be launched towards the end of the year. The price remains a secret. 40,000 pregnant women in Shenzhen, southern China, have had their hospital records put up for sale. The information includes the names, ages, family address, contacts, hospitals, and expected dates of childbirth. The data from more than 70 hospitals came from Shenzhen Health Bureau and cost $1,700 with monthly updates included. Marketing companies are keen to get their hands on the data. China has a one-child per family policy, and accurate details on potential customers are worth their weight in gold. But health officials say the details should have remained secret and promise to punish the people responsible for selling it. Thank you for being with us. For further updates, please log on to itexaminer.com.